Excuse me, sir. Today I am going to report my reading assessment, Richard Pitchking. At Hivi Chain Richardson, we have a lot. Say founder Julian Richard. They also sell more per square foot than any other retailer in Brighton. By Nigel Chope. Who is the best by state realtor in Brighton? Marsh and Spencer, Sainsbury, Purpose, or Tesco work on all their countries. The answer in Richardson, a little known vividly on one cut price retailer of heavy equipment with 28 shops in the IGQ. In the Guinness Book of Records, Richardson warrant unearthed for the highest sales per square foot of any retailer in the IGK. 17,000 pounds sterling for it is strong on London break walk in the city, even thinking and afraid across all 28 stores. Richardson still clocked up 5,708 pounds sterling per square foot, then times more than Mark and Spencer, 6 times the sales achieved by Sainsbury. It is profitable to sales are up and it is operating margin has secured from 3.4% in the 1989 to almost 13% today. Last year, Richardson made profit of more than £3 sterling on sales of almost £48 sterling. The man behind Richardson success in founder, managing director, and 98-year-old Lander who, at the age of 14, asked to buy and sell channels during the angry crisis of 1974, a Lakebell bloke who wears his blonde hair in a ponytail and operates from a small converted Victorian vinegar factory in Bramshill, South East London. He raps out his sales pitch. Even when I was at school, I wanted to go in business, he said, but me age, my asset, me property was out. I wasn't old enough to sing and contact cars without and I could drive. So I turned to hippie ways was chatting on at school, I bought a second-hand Bang and Olufsen for £10, did it up and sold in for £22 in 1979. At the age of 19, he opened his first shop, the one on London Brickwalk. Since then little his changed in simple terms. Richardson sells discounted heavy from tiny basic shops with low overhead stock to is rapid, and the company smallness give it flexibility to take advantage of deals offered by manufacturers on and offline or surplus equipment. The circuit has enabled Richardson to score itself a density niche in a pound sterling being a visual market dominated by independent, will leading multiplex stock monopoly the mass market volume selling meat system, which became popular in the early 1980s. Richardson sells only hippie apparatus such as drones and amphibious. It by either and offline rangers which manufacturers are hoping to offload before the next commercially different model arrives from Japan, or small order of current model, which people because of poor stock management, the manufacturer is prepared to sell at a required price. Now as manufacturers to control imports 3/4 of its stock in current model. Suppliers are keen to do business with the creative people like Dignox and Comet have so many stores. 344 and 262 responsibility that is until you have got 5,000 of a model, it is not worth their while putting into their distribution system, says Chief Robert Sales and Marketing Director of IKEA. With Richard you can do a deal 130. Marketing is a key weapon. Richardson advertises regular in national newspaper. We buy let's piece at the discount, Richard say. And in alternative measures such as freight, private air and fish. Every month in products up to 350,000 copies of a brochure pushing the let's offer. The shops are like walk-in warehouse outside brain-based tone spaces different, including audio chatters for 59 inside compact displayers, tone and speaker from leading names such as Sony, Akai, and Martin Alsek, from floor to ceiling banners hanging for the ceiling proclaim, "If you 7-8 chapel wall bed that raised by up to 50 pounds sterling." Good service is another priority at Richardson. Staff are trained not to be pushy. They all attend to training seminar a year at Richard Country House in Yorkshire, where more attention is paid to following the correct administrative product. First time heavy buyers get a call to check that then that they have plugged in the equipment correctly. Customer help include a fair phone number they can dial if they have a problem. Richard or name and office number are supplied to. The MPs in on phone. If it is raining, customers are given a friend umbrella. In summer, they get a chilly willy. A type of is lolly. Other seasonal gifts include mince pies, Christmas and hot cross buns. At Esther, we have allowed Richard says we don't take ourselves seriously, but we do take our customer seriously. Thanks for attention.